In this video, you will learn how to properly assemble the Juno Connect wafer fixture. Before beginning the installation, make sure all power is off, shutting the power off at the breaker box to areas where the downlights are to be installed. You will need safety goggles and gloves to assemble the fixture. Use the provided hole template to trace the outer ring with a pen or pencil and cut out the opening. Open the cover of the remote driver box. Push and remove one of the knockouts on the side plate. Locate the power supply leads from the remote driver box and connect to the power source using the wago connectors provided. Connect the black wire to the live wire, white wire to the neutral wire, and the green wire with the ground. Secure using the connector. Close the cover of the box. Connect the remote driver box to the light fixture and tighten the nut connector by hand. The arrow on the male and female parts of the connector between the driver and fixture cable should match. Place the remote driver box through the cutout hole. Pull the spring clip on the fixture up and through the ceiling hole and place on the module in the hole, making sure the spring clips are holding securely. Turn the power back on. If the module doesn't illuminate within 5 seconds, turn the power off. Carefully remove the module and double check all wiring and replace.